Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm making a video here. I found an older CB in Grandma's attic, and it's a International Crystal 100D Owner's Manual. I found this online for all the specifications and equipment, but they show what it looks like, operation and maintenance, the schematic. This is what the CB looks like here. So. Alright, and you kind of get an idea what it looks like. Hold on a second, I'll size it down, size it up. It's a pretty neat looking CB. I mean, this is a black and white picture, of course, with the cabinet, which I needed to know what it looked like. And it also didn't include a power plug, and I ran into a problem, that's why I had to look this up. So we'll go over here. This is the actual unit, and as you can see, it's got tubes in it. It's got quite a few tubes in it. It's in okay shape. I wouldn't say it's in mint condition, but it's not in bad condition. You can look over here at the front face of the unit, which is exactly the same as what I showed you online, but not in black and white. And this is the original light up dial on it for the channel. It's got a channel and then transmit selector. And it's got a squelch, a volume. It's got a receive sector. It's got a tune. It's got a calibrate switch right there. Here you go. Here's your mic input, which is very old. I haven't seen one with that style of input in a long time. The unit on the back, I was worried about trying to find which power to hook it up to. So these pins are all countable, and these bottom two pins are the AC. But in order to get the AC to turn on properly, you have to jump these pins, you have to jump these pins, all these pins. Some of them need to be jumped, most of them are left open. This operates on 6 volts DC, 12 volts DC, or 115 volts VDC. AC. Okay, so right here is the accessory, and somebody has been in this before and soldered the 2 leads on for positive and negative for 12 volt. So when I test this unit, I'm going to be bringing a car battery in here, and I'll solder a couple leads on it and make sure I check polarities and everything and make sure it's correct, because if it's not, it's going bye-bye. It'll light on fire. It's got a push button reset. You see, it draws about 15 amps at the maximum. You can see this unit is made in the United States of America, which is kind of nice. Here, I'll stand it up now for a better shot. Yeah, we got some very large components in here. This is a pretty big power transformer, gauged in my hand. A pretty big guy. It's very large power supply here. We've also got 2 tubes hidden over here. I believe that's for the audio circuit. And we can stand this up. Oh my goodness, Frankenstein's laboratory here. Oh my goodness, look at that. We've got 2 tubes. I believe this is for the transmission, or no, this is for the incoming signal. And here we go. Here's some more tubes. I mean, you can just see this thing's packed full. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tubes. It's all real crystal radio. You know, they don't make these anymore. Everything's digital now. You see some of this stuff in here is just 1,000 years old. But it looks like somebody has done writing in here and peeked and clipped this thing at one time because it's been sealed over with silicone. Now we're going to the bottom of the radio. Ah! There is a lot of stuff here. Quite a lot of stuff here. Wow. Lots of goodies. We got some coil windings, a lot of resistors. Lots of little parts here. Looks like we've got right here is a bulb resistor type. Here we go. This is what I want to show. Somebody has labeled these. There we go. It's a 6ALS. It's a 6B8, 68AB. That one right there would be a 6CL8. So somebody's been in here at one time. A lot of this stuff is siliconed here, siliconed here. These coils look like they've been gone through. They've been silicone sealed. And that's about it. So I'm going to go ahead and wire up a 12-volt power supply to the back of this, which is interesting. Oh, by the way, most CVs are rated around 8 to 12 watts. 12 watts usually being the max. This CB is rated at 65 watts transmission power output. And that's quite a lot. They don't make stuff this hot anymore. So when people kind of see it, they, oh, that's an old tube type. That's a piece of junk. Well, you can put this in your car and it'll plug in. You could put this in a tractor, runs on 6 volt, it'll plug in and work. You could basically use this anywhere you want it in the world. It's top-notch CB in my opinion. And I'm going to go ahead and see if these tubes will light up and if the audio circuit gives me any kind of buzzing noise or any kind of, and then I'm going to go ahead and start picking through this and see what leaks and what leaky capacitors and all that good stuff leads up to, and restore this unit hopefully for around $20. I saw a unit similar to this unit on eBay and it was $275, and it was a piece of crap compared to this. It was a very early executive International Crystal manufactured CB radio. So we will see, you know, if this thing comes back to life, it might turn me $1 on eBay. Thanks.